Hello and welcome to something of a special video where I'm going to show you one of my favorite cocktails and how to make it, the old-fashioned. Now what you're going to need for this is a teaspoon of sugar, a little bit of orange peel or orange zest, preferably without any of the fruit inside, a little bit of water, bitters, I am using Angostura bitters, and your favorite bourbon, whiskey, scotch, whatever, and I'm going to be using Jack Daniels. Now, the way to start is I placed this in a really inconvenient place. You take your sugar, add it in, you add 3 teaspoons of the water. There you go. Then you add your bitters. Now it has a strange cap. It only comes out in like, I'll show you. It only comes out in like these weird drips. I usually go for like 10. I don't know if that's a lot. You want to stir this, which can take quite a while. So a little tip I want to give you, you take the back of your spoon and you grind the sugar between the glass and the spoon, and that way it will go a whole lot quicker. And at some point it's completely dissolved. Now, that is when you take your whiskey and you pour in like 2 shots, a shot and a half, something like that. You give it another quick stir. Now, the drink you're left with, if you hold it to the light, which I cannot show you, sadly, it has this deep, beautiful ruby color. Now, you want to add the orange peel, which is going to add a lot of smoothness. But there's a little bit of a trick I want to show you. This works really well if you want to show off, have a bit of showing off as you make the drink for a friend. Okay. You get a match, or you could use a lighter, and you want to warm up all of the fragrant oils within the little bit of orange zest, and then as a little bit of a show, squeeze it. And because you squeeze it, you basically spurt some of the oils out. Maybe you've noticed that when you peel an orange, you get this sort of weird film on your fingers. That's what that is. But yeah, by burning it a little bit, warming it up a little bit, you make it a little bit more flammable. You still get the very nice orange fragrance, and it's a little bit of a nice show-offy trick as you make the drink for your friends. So that's how you make an old-fashioned. Please drink responsibly. I'll see you next time.